Stop wasting hundreds on face creams that just sit there. Your face cream fails because the problem is in your gut. The real issue is 20 feet deep inside your digestive system. Scientists found a hidden bridge between microbiome and skin health. We are rewiring your internal system for deep cellular repair. You will see natural collagen synthesis from the inside out. This is the secret to a hydrated, youthful glow permanently. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to Vital 50 Plus. Now, let's look at how your gut controls your skin. Think of your gut as a highway to your skin's health. Medical experts call this the amazing gut-skin axis connection. The British Journal of Dermatology confirms your gut impacts skin aging. When your gut is inflamed, your face loses its natural glow. Doctors now refer to this internal inflammation as the term. By age 60, this internal fire breaks down your vital collagen. This leads to deeper wrinkles and the loss of facial volume. Topical creams cannot reach the root cause of this internal damage. You must heal the gut to stop this rapid aging process. New 2026 data shows poor gut health ruins your moisture barrier. This creates dry, thin skin that shows every fine age line. Harvard research shows that a healthy gut produces essential skin vitamins. Without these vitamins, your cells cannot repair themselves overnight effectively. A balanced microbiome sends signals to boost your skin's elasticity. Think of your gut bacteria as a team of internal mechanics. They work 24 hours a day to keep you looking young. When these bacteria thrive, your skin stays hydrated and very plump. Conversely, a toxic gut leaks harmful particles into your blood. These toxins settle in your skin and cause dark age spots. You are seeing your internal health reflected in your bathroom mirror. Clearing your skin starts with cleaning your internal digestive system. Fiber is the key to flushing these aging toxins out fast. Eat plenty of leafy greens to feed your good skin bacteria. This simple change can transform your complexion in just weeks. Stay tuned as we discuss the specific bacteria you need now. As you enter your 60s, your gut's microbial diversity naturally declines. Key bacteria strains like Bifidobacterium start to disappear from your system. Science shows these specific strains are vital for maintaining skin moisture. Without them, your skin's natural barrier becomes weak and very thin. This is why many people develop sudden skin sensitivity after 60. The Journal of Investigative Dermatology links low diversity to soggy skin. When your gut slows down, your skin stops absorbing vital nutrients. This causes your complexion to look dull and tired every day. You might notice age spots appearing more frequently on your hands. These are often signs of a microbiome that needs urgent repair. The good news is you can rebuild this internal skin shield. Start by eating fermented foods like organic yogurt or plain kefir. These foods are packed with live cultures that love your skin. Add colorful berries to your diet for a boost of antioxidants. Blueberries and raspberries help protect your cells from environmental stress damage. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli also help detoxify your aging skin cells. Your body needs these natural tools to fight off visible aging. Research from the Mayo Clinic highlights the power of plant diversity. Try to eat 30 different types of plants every single week. This variety creates a robust defense system for your facial glow. Don't forget the power of gentle daily movement for your gut. Walking for 20 minutes helps move toxins out of your body. When your digestion is smooth, your skin looks clear and bright. In the next part, we will discuss the best skin supplements. True beauty in your 60s requires a focused internal healing strategy. Start by choosing specific fibers like chicory root and garlic daily. These act as fuel for the bacteria that builds skin collagen. Consider a high-quality probiotic supplement to restore your natural microbial balance. The National Institutes of Health suggests vitamin D for skin cell repair. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement routine today. Hydration is your best internal filler for a smooth, youthful look. Drink filtered water with a squeeze of fresh lemon every morning. This simple habit flushes the gut and wakes up your complexion. Combine this with restorative sleep to lower your daily cortisol levels. High stress creates gut leaks that lead to facial puffiness overnight. Try deep breathing exercises for 5 minutes before you go to bed. Consistency is the most important factor for long-term glowing results. Monitor your skin for changes as your digestive health begins improving. You will notice more hydration and a brighter tone within weeks. Embrace this holistic journey as the ultimate standard for aging well. Investing in your gut health is the best beauty secret ever. Thank you for watching this deep dive on Vital 50 Plus today. Please like this video If you want more natural beauty tips, share these with a friend who wants to glow from within. We will see you in the next video for more health.